Alright, let's cut through the noise and talk real numbers. Right now, JASMY is trading at 0.01427 with a 24-hour volume of over $31 million. Now, on the surface, that last hour candle looked absolutely pathetic, I'll be honest with you. The volume was there, but it was blood red. Sellers jumped in right at that 0.0145 resistance level like clockwork. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is where most retail traders get it wrong. They see that red candle and think, oh no, JASMY is dying. But when you've been analyzing crypto markets for as long as I have, you start to recognize these patterns. This isn't weakness. This is accumulation disguised as distribution. The market makers are playing four-dimensional chess, while everyone else is playing checkers. That retest of 0.0140 support, it's not a breakdown waiting to happen. It's a launching pad being constructed right before our eyes. Now, if this analysis is already opening your eyes to something you hadn't considered, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube that this content is valuable and helps me reach more traders who need to see this information. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because I drop exclusive market insights like this every single day that could literally change your trading game forever. Now let me show you something that's going to change how you look at JASMY forever. Pull up the 4-hour chart. This is where the magic happens. See this volume pattern right here? It's called a volume squeeze divergence. And it's one of the most reliable breakout predictors in all of crypto trading. When volume contracts like this while price moves sideways, it creates pressure like a coiled spring. The market is literally choosing a direction, and based on the underlying fundamentals, I believe that direction is up. Here's why. JASMY isn't just another crypto token, it's backed by serious Japanese corporate power, with real-world IoT applications that are actually being implemented. While other projects are still building castles in the air, JASMY is laying concrete foundations. But here's the secret sauce, and pay attention because this is pure gold. When JASMY gets stuck in these consolidation phases, it historically breaks out with 2 to 3 times more violence than other altcoins. The Japanese market moves differently. They accumulate quietly, then explode suddenly. Look at February 2021. JASMY hit an all-time high of $4.90. Now, I'm not saying we're going back there tomorrow, but the technical setup is, honestly, remarkably similar to what we saw right before that massive run. According to recent algorithmic predictions, JASMY could increase by 28.56% in the next month, potentially reaching $0.0185. But based on my analysis, I think that's actually conservative. The volume pattern suggests something much bigger is brewing. Alright, let's talk strategy because this is where the rubber meets the road. If you're going to play this JASMY setup, here's exactly how I would approach it. Entry strategy. I'm watching for a clean break and hold above $0.0148. That's our golden signal. If we get a 4-hour candle close above that level with increasing volume, that's your entry trigger. For those of you using MEX, and honestly, their zero-fee trading makes these tight range plays so much more profitable. You can afford to be more aggressive with your position sizing since you're not getting killed by fees every time you adjust your entry. Target $10.0165. That's your first major resistance level. Target $20.0185. This aligns with those algorithmic predictions I mentioned. Target $30.0220. If this thing really starts running, this is where it gets exciting. Alright, so let's talk about stop loss. I always set mine just below 0.0135 on a 4-hour close. Seriously, risk management is everything in crypto, and I never risk more than 2% of my portfolio on any single trade. But here's the advanced play, and this is really for my experienced traders out there. If we do retest that 0.0140 support and it holds with a bullish hammer or doji candle, that's actually a better entry than the breakout. Lower risk, higher reward potential. Now let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture because honestly, JASMY doesn't exist in a vacuum. The entire IoT sector in crypto is heating up. We're seeing institutional money flow into projects with real-world utility. And JASMY fits that narrative perfectly. The Japanese government's push for digital transformation, combined with JASMY's partnerships in the IoT space, creates a fundamental backdrop that most traders are completely ignoring. They're focused on the next dog coin, while missing a legitimate technological play that's trading at a fraction of its potential value. Technical analysis suggests JASMY could reach a maximum of $0.0180 in 2025, but I believe market sentiment could push it much higher if the broader crypto market enters another bull phase. Listen, I've been doing this for years, and I can tell you that setups like this don't come around every day. The volume is building, the technical picture is clearing up, and institutional interest in legitimate blockchain projects is at an all-time high. If you found this analysis valuable, if it gave you a new perspective on JASMY that you hadn't considered, then do me a favor right now. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me what you think about this setup. Are you bullish on JASMY? Bearish? What's your target price? I read every single comment and often feature the best insights in my follow-up videos. I want to thank each and every one of you for being part of the TJ Crypto World family. Your support means everything to me, and it's what motivates me to keep digging deep into these market opportunities that others miss. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into crypto trading strategies, check out my latest video on volume profile analysis. I'll put the link right up here. It's a game-changing technique that will transform how you read market sentiment, and it pairs perfectly with today's JASMY analysis. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media for real-time market updates and quick-hit analyses that don't always make it into the YouTube videos. The links are in the description below. Remember, the crypto market never sleeps, and neither do the opportunities. Stay sharp, stay educated, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be breaking down another hidden gem that the market hasn't discovered yet. Until then, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World, reminding you to trade smart, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Peace out, crypto warriors.